Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix command prompt cannot run as administrator. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your CMD or command prompt cannot run as administrator, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to right click on your desktop, click on new, and you can see here shortcut. Just click on shortcut. Here you need to type the location of the item. So you need to type C colon backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash CMD.exe. Then click on next. Type the name I'm mentioning as CMD. Just click on finish. You can see the shortcut has been created. Just right click on that. Click on properties. Click on advanced option. In this you can see run as administrator. You just need to check mark this option. Just click OK. Click on apply, then click OK. Now just double click on that shortcut, click on yes. You can see now we can run as CMD as administrator. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix command prompt cannot run as administrator. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.